Welcome to OXAudit, the platform that makes securing your smart contracts simple and efficient. Click on the Get Started button. This will take you directly to our dashboard homepage. Go to Solidity Analytics Framework section. Don't forget to download the code you're trying to scan under SOL format. Tap Start to run OXAudit Framework. Click on the Choose File button, select the .sol file you want to audit, and let the magic happen. Sit back while our tools work efficiently. You'll see a progress bar as we ensure your code is scanned for every possible risk. Once complete, you'll receive a detailed audit report. This report highlights all vulnerabilities, offers solutions, and ensures your smart contract is secure. Additionally, you can use our Vulnerability AI Finder tool to explain in detail each line of code where vulnerabilities were detected. OXAudit. Secure your code, secure your future.